Hi there, I'm meteorologist Robert Spetty here with you today. It is currently the 28th of April 2014, and the main topic out here today is our newest tropical depression. If you can't spot it on the screen, there it is right there for you. It is Tropical Depression 06W. If this does get upgraded by JMA, which they do expect at this time, but I really don't personally see it, but JMA does expect this to become a tropical storm. It will be called Tropical Storm Tapah. Now, as far as its impact on land, it is the Mariana Islands that really need to be watching this closely, specifically Saipan and farther towards the north. Guam, it does look like you're probably going to be missing out on this storm system, and the main reason is, if we pull up the visible satellite imagery, you can see all that convection wrapping in from the south. That's that moisture inflow. Off towards the north, we have pretty good exhaust aloft. The wind shear is starting to get high along the northern periphery of this, but that's also allowing it to kind of get blown on like a fire getting blown by a fan, and it's causing it to kind of get a little bit stronger. It's called this exhaust aloft. But on the western periphery, we have a lot of drier inflow wrapping into the storm system, and that's countering it, and it's not going to allow it to get much stronger than what we are seeing right now. Probably maxing out weak tropical storm. At least that's what JDWC and JMA is expecting at this time. That's also good news, that drier inflow, because while Guam, you're going to miss the bulk of this. Take a look at the track from the Joint Typhoon Warning Center. They have a track off there towards the north, right over Saipan on Tuesday afternoon as a weak tropical storm. The bulk of the winds are going to stay off there, though, and really, Guam, you're probably going to miss on this. Here's a look at the JMA's track. They expect to become a tropical storm in the next 24 hours, and not really much of a track, just a 24-hour outlook, so pretty kind of sad on the scale of tracking on that storm system right there. Your forecast in Guam, expecting those rain showers and thunderstorms throughout the day, though, probably on Tuesday, basically Monday going ahead into Tuesday here. I think today's going to be the worst of the days for you, though, as our storm system tracks off there, getting hooked by that upper level low, which is farther off towards the northeast. And what I mean by that is that the upper level winds are really going to pull this storm system along, and this is what the upper level winds look like right here. You have your jet stream diving down, and that's causing that exhaust and really all that moisture get pulled off towards the northeast. I know at the lower levels that's not the way it looks. This is the way it looks at the lower levels, with our winds coming in from the northeast and wrapping into our storm system. But that upper level winds, that's also going to play our big role in how much rainfall we do see out here for Guam. And really the worst of it passing right over Saipan, because basically throughout the day on Tuesday, I mean, take a look at this. Right front quadrant, and if there was a right front quadrant, goes right over you. So you're looking at winds possibly 60 to 70 kilometers per hour, at least according to the Guam National Weather Service. They're also looking at about 11 to 13 foot waves at this time. But the main island of Guam, really, you do get missed out on this. Throughout the day on Tuesday, it moves right over on Saipan, and eventually starts to get pulled off there towards the northeast by that jet stream. So by Wednesday, most conditions rapidly clear up. This is going to be a short-lived event. Worst of it for Guam on Monday, then Tuesday for Saipan, and then eventually it gets pulled off there towards the north. So yeah, that's really the big topic on that right now, everybody. If you want to continue to check back into the website, though, please do so. But for now, I think this is just going to be a 24-hour event. I also think that it's not going to be a big problem maker. I mean, 60 to 70 kilometer per hour winds, they can cause damage, but as long as you take proper precautions, you get everything ready in your area, and you basically take anything outside that could be easily blown by the wind and put it inside. You're not going to have any problems with this. There's no threat of storm surge or anything like that. Just take a look at this is the warning from the Guam National Weather Service. Up to 11 to 13 foot high waves, looking at 40 knot winds. Yeah, it's not, I would stay out of the water through the next 48 hours out here until this one does pass. But that is all for right now, everybody. Thanks for watching this video update. If you have any suggestions on anything else you would like to see out here, please let me know. Always appreciate the feedback. As far as the Philippines, this is not going to impact you. I know some people were worried about there. This is going off towards the north, so don't really worry about it. Same thing goes for much of Japan. So yeah, all right. Stay safe out there. Bye.